Hi and welcome back to this channel. Here we share excellent content on how to keep your home excellently clean. And on today's video, we're going to talk about how to clean a house with indoor pets. So, do you share your home with a furry friend? According to studies, you are probably healthier and happier than many people. However, there are chances your house isn't quite clean. Many pet parents are known to struggle with animal waste stains on the rugs, balls of pet hair, and feathers stuck in the uncanniest places. So here are some easy tweaks to ensure your house cleaning process goes smoothly and you are a happy pet owner. Proudly brought to you by CleanerOnCall.com. 1. Coat surfaces in dark paint. You can simply paint all your lower cabinets in dark colors. This does an excellent work of hiding smears made by wet noses and mud by wagging tails. You can paint in your kitchen, living room, or any other area of your house where your pet spends time. This can save you time and your sanity when you have to make a quick clean of your home just a few minutes before unexpected guests arrive. 2. Regularly clean your pets' things. You should frequently clean your pet's beds and toys or any item that can pick up strong animal odor. If it's machine friendly, you can wash them in the machine or hand wash in the sink. For best results, do this chore on a sunny day when you can dry the things outside. The sunlight will help to release foul odors and kill microorganisms. 3. Keep your pets clean. Make sure to give your pets a proper wash with pet shampoo every now and then. Depending on the pet type and breed, they may also need trimming or deshedding. Keep the wet pet confined to one area of the room, preferably on the floor that is easy to clean. Set a routine for a grooming session after every walk and trip outside. 4. Air your house often. In the summers, open the windows to let the fresh air in. You can have a 15-minute blast of fresh air even on colder days. This simple step can wonderfully deodorize your house, attracting positive energy for happy pets and owners. 5. Invest in a quality vacuum cleaner. Get a pet-appropriate vacuum cleaner that can pick up pesky hairs and aid in banishing odors. The best kind would be a vacuum cleaner with a quality filter, extra strong suction, and good brush action to pull out hair instead of simply gliding on the surface. When buying, consider your furniture design and flooring type. Vacuum your upholstery and surfaces daily, and don't forget to clean out the vacuum filter as well regularly. 6. Always have an emergency cleaner at hand. A pet-friendly, cost-effective cleaning agent is filling a spray bottle with half white vinegar, half water, and a few drops of liquid dish soap. You can use this magical concoction for any surface, from walls to floors and your brand new sofas. Bottom line is, these easy steps are ways you can now effortlessly keep your house with pets and them clean. But the important part is to incorporate them into your routine once your pet comes home to be a part of the family. If you can't manage to keep your home clean with your furry friend, we will be happy to do it for you. We clean houses, condos and apartments, and are also friendly with different types of pets. Our extensive experience will help you keep your home looking amazing. And do remember to check us out on CleanerOnCall.com. And if you have a special topic you'd like us to talk about, drop a hint in the comment section and we would take it from there. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing helpful content.